Prepare for the TOEFL listening section with this sample conversation. Listen to the conversation, answer the questions about it. Check your score at the end of the video. Review the conversation to understand the correct answers. Subscribe for more TOEFL listening practice with conversations.
Hi, Sandra. Welcome to your first day of training. I'm the man, your supervisor. We're really excited to have you join the library team. How are you feeling?
Hi. I'm a little nervous, but also excited to get started. It's a lot to take in, but I'm looking forward to learning everything.
That's completely normal. Don't worry, we'll go through everything step by step today, and you'll have plenty of time to get comfortable with your responsibilities. Let's start with a quick overview of your role.
Sounds good. I'd love to know more about what a typical day looks like.
As a front desk assistant, your main responsibilities are helping students check out books, answering basic questions about library services, and keeping the front area organized. You'll also assist with reserving study rooms and occasionally restocking supplies like pens and paper.
Okay, that sounds manageable. I like that there's a mix of different tasks, so it won't feel too repetitive.
Great. Now let's talk about the library's policies, especially those related to customer service. We want to create a welcoming environment for all students. If someone has a question you're unsure about, the best approach is to let them know you'll find the answer. You can always ask me or one of the senior staff members for help.
Got it, so it's okay if I don't know everything right away? That's a relief. I was a little worried about not being able to answer every question on the spot.
Absolutely. No one expects you to know it all on your first day. Just be polite and proactive, and we'll guide you as needed. Now let's go over some of the safety procedures. Do you know where the emergency exits are?
I think I saw a couple near the front entrance and in the back hallway. Are there any other emergency protocols I should be aware of?
That's right. In case of an emergency, your job is to stay calm and direct people to the nearest exit. We'll also give you a quick walkthrough of the evacuation routes later.
Okay, that makes sense. I'll make sure to remember those locations.
Another safety tip: if you notice anything unusual, like a suspicious package or someone behaving strangely, notify me or another supervisor immediately. Don't try to handle it on your own.
Got it, I'll make sure to report anything unusual. I'd rather be cautious than take any risks.
Perfect. Now let's talk about using the library's system for checking out books. I'll show you how to log in, scan items, and handle returns. Once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward.
Great. Is there a manual or guide I can refer to if I forget something? I like to have something to reference while I'm learning.
Yes, we have a quick reference guide at the front desk, and I'll email you a digital copy as well. Don't hesitate to review it whenever you need to.
That's really helpful, thanks. I'll make sure to go over it so I don't have to ask the same questions repeatedly.
No problem. Now let's talk about the schedule and expectations. You're working 3 shifts a week, right?
Yes, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday afternoons. I like that schedule, it gives me some flexibility on the other days.
Perfect. Make sure to clock in and out on time using the system by the staff room. If you ever need to miss a shift or switch with someone, let me know at least 24 hours in advance so we can arrange coverage.
Will do. I'll try to plan ahead if I ever need to make a change.
Lastly, let's go over a few general policies. Make sure your phone is on silent during your shift, and avoid using it at the desk unless it's an emergency. Also, dress code is casual but neat. Jeans and a nice top are fine.
Got it. That all seems pretty reasonable. I appreciate that the dress code is comfortable but still professional.
Great. I think you're off to a fantastic start. Let's head to the front desk now, and I'll walk you through how to use the checkout system. After that, I'll shadow you for a bit while you assist a few students.
Okay, sounds good. Thanks for being so thorough. I feel a lot more confident now, and I'm excited to put everything into practice.
I'm glad to hear that. You're going to do great. Let's get started.
One, what topics are mainly discussed in the conversation? 2. According to the supervisor, what is one of the woman's responsibilities? Three. How would you best describe the supervisor's attitude toward the woman? Four. How does the supervisor connect customer service and safety? Five. What should the woman do if she needs to miss a shift?